What's up everybody? Brandon back here in the Nerd Garage, and today I'm going to do a quick review of an actual owner's point of view of the new 2025 Volkswagen Jetta. I just picked it up last week. I think I got a couple hundred miles on it already. Took it up to Orlando, took it down to work, which is a 77-mile trip, so around 144 miles round trip. This thing has averaged between 40 and 45 miles per gallon. Again, I'm an actual owner. This isn't a dealer paid or sponsored or promoted ad, but I gotta say that this car, this absolute awesome front end is awesome with the gas mileage. Pardon me, my shirt was blowing in the wind. I got a fan going on because it is super humid here in Florida. We got a hurricane on the way. But figured I'd get this review out and show you around. First things first, I know what everybody's curious about, and that's gonna be our super fast 1.5 liter turbo. Yeah, it's not that fast. It's only 158 horsepower and about 184 pound-feet of torque, but it looks super clean. Like I said, got a couple hundred miles on it. I think probably about 600 or 700 miles. Nice and neat. Everything's looking clean, and I really can't complain because the gas mileage is what my biggest concern was. I had a 22 Passat, had 55,000 miles on it, and I was lucky if I got like 32 miles to the gallon. This one in the past week has, like I said, averaged between 40 and 45. The front end, as you can tell, we've got this little plastic piece right here. It kind of reminds me of the Mark IV Bossier hoods, and it's got this aggressive look. We've got an LED strip here, LED strip on this light, and then the LEDs go straight across to the other side and connect with the other light. On this model, the Volkswagen badge does not light up. Not a huge concern to me. I really don't care. And then we got the black honeycomb down here, which I got the sport model, so that means it goes faster. Just kidding, it doesn't. But you got black accents here, black accents on the honeycomb grille, and then black mirror caps. So I don't have a sunroof, I don't care. It's Florida, it's super humid, and the sunroof on my Passat, the gasket started to wear out, so it was a bunch of crap anyway. The one major complaint that I have with the 2025 Passat, the Sport Edition, is it comes with 16-inch wheels and tires. I haven't had 16s on a daily driver, and I can't even tell you how long. The Corvette has 15s, and these things look more aggressive than this thing. Other than that, there's really nothing crazy different with the Sport. It's got a little Sport badge here. It's on both sides, driver and passenger. And then around the back, we got another light bar, and the Jetta insignia is right in between the light bars. So I'll show you that when I hit the clicker. It lights up nicely. I just got it tinted. It's 28% all the way around. So it's a ceramic coated tint. It gets the job done. It keeps the heat out. Keeps me and the kids cool. Now we'll take a look on the inside. Actually, let me get the keys first. Gotta have the right keys. Everything is digital. When you get in to the new Jetta, and you know what's crazy that Volkswagen did? We went back to the switchblade keys. It's an actual ignition, which is crazy. As you can tell, the LEDs are super bright. All digital. Let's see how much mileage I got on this thing. 678 miles. But you know what? From getting it from the dealer, driving it home, then driving it up to Orlando, filled up in Orlando, and did 155 miles, I still got half a tank left. So I'm happy about that. It's got this piano black surrounding border for the AC. Everything is touch. It's piano black around the screen. I believe it's like an 8 or 8.5 inch diagonal screen. Great looking infotainment center. The shifter even lights up. You can see that, which is fantastic. It's got the automatic assist, eco mode, electronic parking brake, and then now it's got the USB-C chargers, which the old Passat had the USB-A. There you go. There's the lights. I always keep them on auto. The pedals are looking clean. Again, those remind me of the Mark IV pedals, especially in the GLI and R32. Taking a look around back. I can fit a car seat in here for my toddler, no problem. They are cloth seats. It's got this kind of, I don't know, hexagonal pattern on it. I really thought I was gonna hate the cloth seats, but I actually love them. And then there you go. You see the little bit of a light bar. Now, as you can tell, I actually use my car. I've got a lot of trunk space. It allows me to put my gear in here, all my bedding if I need to when I'm going to a different station for work. But I really cannot complain about anything with this car. Well, they just turned off, of course. But when you unlock them, that's the light bar you get. Absolutely gorgeous. I've got nothing but compliments on the car. It's truly an upgrade from the old Mark 7 R line that I used to have. I think it even gets better gas mileage. I think that one was a 1.4. This is a 1.5. And yeah, like I said, it gets the job done. I'm an actual owner of the car. As you can tell, I put a lot of mileage on it in the last week. But that's what the car's for. I'm not getting paid to do this review. Just kind of wanted to take everybody for a quick look around it from my point of view. A huge car guy. I got that one. I got that one. This one's really fast. It's got 55 horsepower. Just kidding, it's like 60. And then my wife's got a 23 Atlas with the V6. So we're a Volkswagen family and a GM family. However, Volkswagen is killing the enthusiast market because there's no wagons left. There's no Passat, there's no Arteon, there's no CC. All we're getting are these crossovers and electric cars that have absolutely zero soul. Now, I'm not saying 152, 58 horsepower has a whole lot of soul. Gets me where I gotta go, and it looks good doing it. But Volkswagen's really got to bring back the enthusiast market to the States, because I would have loved to get a wagon. I would have loved to have a little bit more power. It is what it is. It's getting me where I got to go. Then the family car is the Atlas. And if we want to have fun, we take out the two classics for the day on the weekends. I hope this review suited everybody well. Kind of showed you the ins and outs of it. There's really nothing more to it. Just a regular old four-door sedan. But thanks for checking it out. Thanks for coming to check out the Nerd Garage. And I hope to get some more content like this sooner than later. And really appreciate the view. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe.